It is just after midnight on April 1st, 2025 in Patterson, California. Deputy Helms spots a red Audi blowing a red light on Sperry Avenue. Instead of stopping, Joshua Rhodes pulls a shady U-turn before finally tabbing over on C Street. What starts as a simple ticket is about to spiral into a wild list of felony charges.
Good. Are you aware of the possible alarms? Yeah, I know. You're just for? Okay. Siri's been advised of what you found.
Patterson 3-2 on traffic.
3-2 on traffic.
A slow stop or a sudden U-turn is an immediate red flag. It gives drivers time to hide contraband or prep for a fight. For Deputy Helms, this routine stop just became a high-risk encounter.
Evening. Deputy Helms Sheriff's Office. Reason for the stop tonight is because of the red light you just ran on Del Porto right here, okay? Do you have a license, registration, proof of insurance? What was the purpose of going through the red light? Huh? I can't understand you, dude.
I live right here.
Claiming you live right there is a textbook move to establish territory. Legally, your address does not grant you immunity from showing a license. Joshua is trying to flip the script and make the officer feel like the intruder.
You can look up the registration on the computer.
You have the insurance?
No.
Are you still on?
No.
Yeah?
No.
No? What's your current address?
Right here.
What is it? Can you speak up, please?
The street we're on right now?
I'm asking for mailing purposes for your citation.
Well, I just told you.
I'm just confirming it with you, okay? I don't understand why we gotta have an attitude right
I
now.
have attitude.
You do.
Perfectly fine.
You
say
clearly
you can't
do.
hear me. You hurry up, go about your business, man. You tripping.
You on probation or parole?
You can look up all that. Since you think
Okay,
I'm on
this
probation.
can go either one of two ways. Number one is you can just be respectful and we can move on with our business.
That you can look it up.
Yeah. And that's being disrespectful.
So
You could just answer the question either yes or no. How am I giving you a hard time? I'm asking you a simple
You
question.
can look it up.
Are you on probation or parole?
Why I gotta be on that?
I'm asking you. I ask everybody that I
Well, look that shit
contact.
up then.
Why, I don't understand why we got an
Why
attitude.
don't you just do your job?
I am going to.
Okay, great. Give me my go about your business.
Okay. Do you have an ID, ma'am?
Don't say nothing to me. You ain't gotta say him. You ain't driving?
Let me see your ID, please.
Bro, just do your job, yo.
Don't tell me how to do my job.
You ain't call your supervisor then.
Nope.
What?
Let me see your ID, please. You're not wearing your seatbelt in the car.
I just got home from work, man. I don't have my ID.
Huh?
I just got home from work.
You don't have it on you?
No, I don't have my ID.
You are not calling. Are you really calling 911 right now?
Yeah, call your supervisor then.
Why are you calling
Call
911?
your supervisor.
Calling 911 on a cop while he is standing right there is a bold strategy. Most people do not realize that dispatchers are not supervisors and have zero power to override an officer on the scene. Instead of getting a manager, she is just handing the prosecutor an extra charge for misuse of the emergency system.
I'm asking for your supervisor and the officer.
Hang up the phone now.
You hear him right now?
Hang up the phone or you're going to be placed under arrest.
For what?
For misuse of 911. Hang up the phone.
I'm asking for your supervisor.
Hang up the phone right now.
Do you hear your officer? He's trying.
This is the dispatch center, sir.
Yeah, but I need help though. I don't feel safe.
Okay, and where are you located?
I'm on Street. Patterson,
321. Just for info, male is uncooperative in the car and he is calling 911 at the moment right now.
Alright, I need help please now. Alright.
Okay, I'm gonna step out of the car.
I don't have to.
I'm telling you to step out of the car.
For what?
If you don't step out of the car,
Legal myths are about to meet reality. Under Pennsylvania versus Mimms, an officer has the absolute right to order a driver out of the vehicle. This is no longer a debate. Refusing a lawful command is how a simple ticket turns into a felony charge.
I'm going to take you out of the car and you're going to
Why?
be taken to jail.
Why? Wait
For
till-
disobeying my lawful command to
You're
exit the
tripping.
vehicle right
You're
now.
Tripping. No, no. I wait till your supervisor.
Okay, you are under arrest.
You
Step
can't
out of
do
the car.
that, sir. You can't open the door.
You're under arrest. Step
You can't
out of the
open
car.
the door, sir.
What?
You can't open the door.
For what?
Do not do
415,
that,
step
sir.
it up.
For
Step out of the car
For
now.
what?
You're under arrest.
For what?
You're
Do not
under arrest.
Open
For
my
what?
door without the permission.
Step out of the car. You're under
Do
arrest.
not open the door.
Step out of the f***ing car. You're under arrest.
Why did you just hit him?
Let go of me.
What the fuck
Let go of my
did
f***ing
you
arm.
do? Hit him, you hit me, and you getting in trouble. Hit
Step
me
out
too.
of the car now.
Hit me too.
He just attacked me for one
Oh, he just slapped you in the face twice, and I got it all on camera, so good luck, buddy. I got it all on camera. What the doing? Nah, don't even hit him, bro. No, bro.
Don't grab me.
You attacking me for what? For what?
Let go
What
of
you
me.
doing? Why are you snatching him? Why are you pulling him? Nah, bro.
Get out of the car now. You're going to get tased. Get out of the car now. You're going to get tased. Freak you on. Take her to
What
place.
you doing? You just shocked me too.
Get out of the car now.
You're getting fired.
Get out of the car now.
You're getting fired.
Get out of the car now. You are under arrest. Get out of the car now. You're under arrest. Put spike strips under his tires now. Hurry.
You're getting fired.
Get out of the car now. You're under arrest.
You're getting fired, bro.
Get out of the car now. You are under arrest.
Nah, bring out your supervisor.
Get out of the car now. You're under arrest. Step out of the vehicle now. You're under arrest. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
That's all on camera.
Detain her. I got him. Detain her.
I can leave my phone off the lawful. No, don't take my phone.
Do not pull away from me.
I got it all on camera. No, bro. It's fine. I have an uncle that's a lawyer. He's not.
Pretty good. We got 2 to detain now. Go ahead and start
I
loading
want
for
to
you.
make sure I have my phone.
I'm good. 10:35.
I have no right.
Sit up on your back. Stand up.
If we was one-on-one, you took off all that right here, and you thought, let's punch each other in the face then. I legally challenge you to a fight. Do you accept?
After being tased and losing control, Joshua is trying to save face with a bizarre request. This is a textbook case of post-arrest ego. Newsflash: there is no such thing as a legal invitation to a fight while you are in handcuffs.
No, that's
'cause
not
you a
what I
bitch.
want to do with you.
Exactly.
This is not what I want to do
no,
at all.
No, that's what you want. You want to do
I
that.
don't know why you'd want to do that with me.
Because you punched me in my face.
That's
now I
not
want
right.
to punch you in your face.
Okay.
You want to attack me, so let's fight. Take your right. I legally challenge you to a fight. Do you accept? No, because you a
Are you asking me that right now?
Because you a
Are you asking me that right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Take
Face
off
the
the
car.
take off the handcuffs and do
Face
you
the car.
legally challenge? Exactly. Like, bro, you act all tough when nobody around, but when shit gets
Is anybody around right now? Am I
we at
acting
the
tough with you
hospital.
right now?
Because it's lights. It's people around. When there's nobody around, you tough and you a whole nother guy. Your whole demeanor change.
Okay.
In the end, Joshua Rhodes learned a very expensive lesson about the difference between YouTube law and actual criminal law. The charges filed against him are heavy, including resisting arrest with force and battery on a peace officer. His passenger, Eliana Barazza, found out the hard way that calling 911 as a tactical move only leads to an obstruction charge. This entire encounter is a textbook study of the sunk cost fallacy. Instead of taking a simple ticket for a red light, Joshua doubled down on his pride until he was staring at the business end of a taser. Remember, Pennsylvania versus Mimms is not a suggestion. It is a settled law that protects both the officer and the public. the side of the road is never the place to litigate your case or challenge a cop to a duel. The ego is a dangerous passenger, and tonight, it drove them both straight to a jail cell. If this breakdown gave you a better understanding of your rights and responsibilities, hit that subscribe button for Blue Line Raw. We appreciate you watching, and we hope you stay safe out there. As always, all suspects are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.